Okay, so this is my year two project in Bachelor of Science degree for Computer Network Management. The project was to build a home security alarm system. So this is the system which I built. It has three different sensors. An ultrasonic sensor, which you can see there in zone 2. Zone 1, which you can't actually see, has a PIR sensor, which is linked to the front door of the model, which you can just about see there. And then zone 3 is here with a vibration sensor. It's also equipped with a panic switch, which is that component there. And that's the main board, which you can see there, which is an Arduino Mega. And that's the main breadboard with a red and green LED. And you can see some other components wired in there, including a 10K pot. Okay, so this is the LCD display screen, which just has the start screen of the program, which has an A and B selection of arm the system or new password, and that's the keypad for entering code. And here on the PC you can see the program which has been already uploaded to the board. I'll talk more about that in a bit. Okay, so to demonstrate the actual project in action, we're going to arm the system. So arming the system by pressing A. This puts the system into a 10-second countdown, which is an exit delay. So now the system is activated, and as you can see in there, the red LED has turned on to show that the system is activated. So all the sensors are now armed. So we're going to trigger some of the sensors. So I put my hand in here. So you can see that is alarm zone 2 back door, which is zone 2 here with the ultrasonic sensor. So we're going to enter the password. So that disarms the system again, and as you can see, the green LED light has turned on. Okay, so we're going to arm the system again by pressing A, and this time what we'll do is we'll trigger the vibration sensor in zone 3. Okay, so the system is armed. You can see the red LED is on. So see, it says vibration alarm kitchen zone 3, which is this sensor here. Okay, so we enter the password. System disarmed again. Okay, so once more we're going to arm the system. And this time what we'll do is we'll hit the panic switch. So that's this component here, the panic switch. It's a simple little 2-position 3-pin switch, which is wired directly into the board. As you can see, panic alarm activated to disarm the system. System disarmed. We'll just flick that switch back over. Okay, so we're going to arm the system again. And this time we're going to check the entry delay on the front door, which, as I said earlier, has a PIR sensor, which is inside this little box here at the front door. So if we go around here and we open this door, okay, so that now has triggered an entry delay, which gives a 20-second countdown for us to enter the password to disarm the system. Okay, so that's the system disarmed. I'm just going to close up that door again, and we'll activate the system again. So this time when the system is activated, we'll trigger the front door with the PIR sensor again. But this time we won't enter the code, and we'll make sure that the alarm activates when the time has run out. So door is open. Okay, so there you can see motion detector front door zone 1. So when you don't enter the code, the alarm does actually activate it. So system reset. So the one other thing that we can do with this system is to change the password if required. So that's if we select the B setting. So when we select the B setting, we're asked for the current password. We enter that. And then the new password we want to choose, we enter that, and the password is changed. So it allows us to change the password, but we actually need to know the password which is originally set on the system to change it. So just quickly show you the code. So it's difficult enough to see. This is the main code. All the libraries declared and the global variables, and then we scroll down to the keypad setup and enter the setup loop, which only runs once and initializes the pin modes. And then we have the void loop, which runs continuously and calls the different functions for the different sensors. These are all the separate functions which are down the bottom. So it's the enter password function, and that's the panic function, PIR function, which calls the entry delay, which is this tab up here, and the vibration function. So like I said, the PIR calls this entry delay function, which checks that the front door has been opened and allows the 20-second countdown. Scroll down to the bottom, so it allows you to attempt the password. It allows you to retry if you get the wrong password. And that's the start function, which is the first function which runs, and this is just a small function for the ultrasonic. So that's the project.